which is ensure the safety of operation. Next, the difference between CT and PT. The first, connection in series with power circuit. In case of CT, the connection in series with power circuit. Potential transformer PT connected in parallel with power circuit. Second is connected to ammeter. Secondary is connected to voltmeter. In case of CT, secondary work almost in short circuit condition. In case of PT, secondary work almost in open circuit condition. In case of CT, primary current depends on power circuit current. In case of PT, primary current depends on secondary burden. In case of CT, primary current and excited vary over wide range which change of power circuit current. In case of potential transfer, primary current and excitation variation are restricted to a small range. In case of CT, one terminal of secondary is earth to avoid the insulation breakdown. In case of PT, one terminal of secondary can be earth for safety. In CT, in case of CT, secondary never be open circuited. Potential transformer PT, secondary can be used in open circuit condition. Next, type of current transformers, CT, bar type current transformers and bound type current transformers. In bar type current transformer, this type of transformer, the primary winding is nothing but a bar of suitable size. You can see the bar type circuit diagram or block diagram in this figure. This is the bound type current transformer. In type of construction, the primary is bound for more than one full turns on the core. In a low voltage bound current transformer, the secondary winding is bounded with bakelite formers. This is the presentation of type of current transformer. Bound type current transformers, you can see this is the primary winding, this is the secondary mounted on, this is the shaft of instrument transformer, secondaries leads connected in the circuit. This is the this is the presentation how we can connect or represent the bound type current transformer in the circuit. In next, other type of current transformers having rectangular, ring, and stadiums. These are the pics for representing the rectangular CT, ring type CT, and stadium type CT. You can see material used for making core of current transformer. For making a core of current transformer, we have required nickel iron alloy or oriented electrical steel. Secondary winding insulated and colors or circumferential wraps of a press board. What is press board? Press board additionally insulated and protected to the winding from damage. This is the all about of current transformers. Thank you.